Welcome back, Hot Wheels and Diecast collectors. I have the 2021 H case to unbox. I ordered this one from J-Car Diecast in Texas. So he's a real good guy to deal with if you want to pre-order stuff, Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Hot Wheels ID, Mini GT, Auto World, hobby exclusives, all that stuff. He's not a sponsor of this video. I'm just giving him a shout out because I really like dealing with him, and I order a bunch of stuff from him pretty often. So this is the H case. This is US H case. L2593 is US. And the super treasure hunt in this case is supposed to be the Datsun 510. I don't know if there's one in here yet, but we'll find out shortly. Let me grab the Datsun. So maybe, just maybe, we'll find one of these. If not, we'll find the regular. Either way, it's what's new. What's in here is new to me. So, without further ado, let's open it up. All right, so the first three are repeats from the last case. We've got the 10 Pro Stock Camaro, the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, and the 17 Lamborghini Urus in white. So those were all in the last case. More from the last case, the Nissan 390 GTI, or GT1, the Arachnarod, which in the G case, this is the ID Chase, and the 17 Acura NSX. Here is a new recolor for the head gasket. This is a new recolor for the Road Bandit, I believe, in purple. And then a new recolor for the 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. I like the little German striping on the hood there. That's pretty cool. Here's another 17 Lamborghini Urus. Here is the regular treasure hunt for the Mustang Funny Car. So there's the Circle Flame logo. And there is your Circle Flame on the card. And the Blade Raider, which is a recolor, also new to this case. Here is the 71 Datsun 510. There's the regular version. The Toyota off-road truck, which is from the previous case. And here is the Ain't Fair, which I think is like a very unique kind of breakout from this case. So it looks like the roof on this one is metal and everything else is plastic. But it being a kind of a slammed bus, I think people are really kind of digging it. So I was pretty interested in getting my hands on one of these as well. So that's pretty cool. This bus is going to the Hot Wheels Design Center. The T-Rex Destroyer, which is from the last case. The 70 Toyota Celica from the last case. And there's another Ain't Fair from this case. Here we have the HW Formula Solar in brown, which is new to this case. There's the Devancinator from last case, and the 2017 Camaro ZL1 from the last case. Robo Race Robocar from the last case, The Carbonator, which is a new recolor for this case, with that hot pink soda bottle on top. And then the 2016 Ford GT Race, which is a new recolor in black. Here is the La Troca, which is from the last case. The 94 Audi Avant RS2, which is new in this case. Which looks really good. Haven't seen that in person yet either. So that's cool. And then the Rally Baja Crawler from the last case. There's the Dodge Van Dajiban from the last case. Here is the custom Ford Bronco, which is new for this case. And the recolor of the Surfin' School Bus, which is new for this case. Minecart from the last case. The Bone Shaker Moon Eyes, which is new for this case. And the RV There Yet, which I'm looking, which is from the last case. I'm looking at my wall. Eruption from the last case. The Mattel Dreammobile, which is a new recolor for this case in this lime green with red interior. That just reminds me of the Homermobile. That reminds you of the Homermobile. And then the slide kick from the last case. That's the first half. All right, let's go to the second half. So no super in this case. 70 Toyota Celica, 17 Acura NSX, and the Honda Civic Si recolor, which is new for this case, in black. First time it was in blue, now it's in black. Here is the tuned twin mill, which I think is a new recolor for this case. There's another La Troca, and the Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile, which is from the last case, I guess. There's another Arkham Asylum Batmobile, another Rally Baja Crawler. That's harder to get out than I thought. And the 17 Ford GT, which is new to this case. The Zombot, which is a repeat. The 2017 ZL1, which is a repeat. And the Total Disposal for Earth Day, which is a repeat. Here's the Rocket Oil Special, which I have been wanting to see this guy. This is not a new casting, but it says 2020 Mattel on it. So where has this been before if it's not a new casting? If you know, leave me a comment down below, but this thing is just begging to be customized right there. That thing is so cool. Alright, so the Toyota Off-Road Truck, which is a repeat, and the BMW M3 GT2 in white, which is a recolor new to this case. There's another Dodge van. The Donut Drifter in a periwinkle blue and pink base, recolor new for this case. And the Land Rover Defender 90 in blue, which I believe is not new for this case. Can't find it. Yeah. Maybe it's new for this case. Alright. Mad Manga, which is new for this case. There's another 94 Audi Avant, and another tuned twin mill in red. Here's the Draftnator, which I've wanted to see up close and in person, which you can see. I know it's not a licensed casting, so people are kind of maybe poo-pooing it a little bit. But it's a race truck. It's not bad. Here's the Porsche 935. This is the recolor, so it's now got the red base and the blue accents, as opposed to red accents and blue base and gray wheels. Here is the Mercedes-Benz 500E, which by the numbers would have fit in the last case, but it was not in the last case, so it's in this case. There's another Draftnator, another Total Disposal, and another Devencinator. Here's another Mercedes-Benz 500E. Here's a Heavy Hitcher recolor, and the 69 Chevelle, which is a recolor. Last 6. Here's another Volvo 850 Estate, which is from the last case, the TRX Destroyer from the last case, and the RV There Yet from the last case. And the last 3 are going to be another Road Bandit, another Batmobile, and another Robo Race Robo Car. All right, which one is your favorite from this case? Is it the Datsun 510, or is it something else? I don't even know if these are going to stack. Probably not. There we go. That Mercedes is pretty cool. Leave a comment down below. If you subscribe, it'll help me out. Leave a like, leave a comment, and we'll do opening and we'll put them on the wall. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.